Greatest Brands and Leaders aims to highlight the real drivers of Asia's, Middle East and Africa's economic engines, entities that are the critical pivots of growth. The first category is Asia One Person of the Year and Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21. And the individuals that were awarded in this category are S. Durga Prasad, co-founder, director and group CEO, Bhavan Cybertech.
Established in 1999, Bhavan Cybertech (BCT) is a global provider of digital transformation solutions in the areas of predictive analytics, digital experience, and digital supply chain management, and has delivered solutions in 20 countries across North America, the Middle East, Far East, Africa, and Asia. Driving innovation through outcome-based business models, proven and powerful IP solutions. BCT serves over 1,000 plus customers, including Fortune 500 companies, and is a trusted partner of leading global technology companies.
Bhavan Cybertech was incepted in the year 1999. Since inception, we built this organization as a hybrid entity, focusing on partnership with technology leaders, lead in the spaces that they play, and also focus on digital transformation built on deep domain and intellectual property that help our clients transform their business. With this premise, BCT today is a 3,000 member organization spread across 20 locations and 4 continents. As we grew, we have built our organization into 3 buckets. 1, we focused again on the deep technology partnerships with our leaders. Second, on the digital engine, we have 4 offerings. One is the digital experience capture in the real time called DropThought, where it focuses on customer experience, employee heartbeat, healthcare, education industry vertical, and several others in the making. And with deep analytics, we are able to predict what a customer would want or employee is seeking for, and so on and so forth. On the second element, we focused on digital supply chain, where we delivered one of the world's largest transformation contract, the upstream oil and gas sector, and that delivered tremendous amount of efficiency and effectiveness for our clients. Second is on the fuel station automation, where we have done huge amount of transformation for several oil companies in the Middle East and in India. Third element is Retina, where we deliver predictive analytics for the energy sector, more for the renewable energy sector. And the fourth is RT360, where we deliver early warning system for the banking and fintech companies, which can help them to predict the non-performing assets as they evolve. With this, we have now focused on AI ML application on all of these platforms to ensure that we are able to give the leadership in a sustained manner to our clients. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chairperson who led us from the front and all the people who have contributed to the growth of this organization, giving not only their very best, but at the same time doing a lot of research in ensuring that we are in a leadership position in the spaces that we play. Thank you.